Oh.
You know me, I'm a smarty.
Hey.
Me murder
Anybody? Hey.
Shot me up and make me bomb me.
Bomb it up.
Make me reach my whole family.
Oh.
Them just can't stop.
See my face.
Can't
Get me out of the race. Even though I am a disgrace.
No obligation.
In other place.
Big up Kino and the dream team. One team. Dream team.
But here,
Yeah.
if we give them back that song that we run out of breath, I'm gonna see if we can catch a breath this time. Alright, you ready now? This time, you know. Try hold the breath this time, you know. Don't run out, you know. You want me call the ambulance just in case?
Alright, call it.
Call the ambulance to talk to you.
Technical,
Yeah, that one technical, you know.
Out of breath,
that one name Out of Breath.
Out of breath.
This song name Out of Breath.
Out of breath.
Done by Gary, aka Beer as in Deer.
Listen to it.
Alright, so I have a donation for you. And this goes towards the medical, see me?
Yeah.
So you know you can help out the situation same way.
Thank God. Thank God.
So this is from the lady from Jacksonville. Send $13,000 for you.
It's the lady from Jacksonville. God bless her. God bless her, the lady from Jacksonville.
Yeah, so
God bless her.
so this is $13,000, so you can count it.
Yeah.
Count it. Straight, so Jenna, I have a donation for you as well.
Alright.
Yeah. And this is from Molo.
Molo.
Yeah. This is Molo. Send $5,000 for you from Canada.
Molo from Canada.
Yeah, $5,000 for you. Jenna from Molo.
Molo from Canada, thank you very much. May the Lord bless you and keep you safe. Yeah, Molo. Love you, nothing but love.
Bless up.
Nigga.
We are building, we are build body, we are build up nature, we are build up the whole universe. Cause mankind are try to destroy the universe and try to fight against the power of nature and God and goddess. And anything we fight against nature and God and the goddess shall go down. So long live the Almighty and big up Kino.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Anything the rest? You go and breeze out. Alright then. Alright, here Romance for the jerk pan, for the jerk chicken. Painter, fix your face. You know, see the camera shine. You know, see your son there, so you have to screw up your face.
My part that's good.
Yo, prep. Come here, preps. Stand up right there, man. Them always the paint and them don't see the sun, you know.
Yeah,
so them see it, you know, so look upon him tall and yeah, you know.
same thing them, you know.
I see him to them. I see.
What am I same thing, you know?
I said, people, this is painter's son, you know. And first, are you first, right?
Yeah,
And first.
yeah,
And him have a son full of talent, you know. You not tell the world, say your son a big artist. Yeah. the preps. But I go like you are running from the camera right now. Stay there, so man. Yeah, you're artist, you know.
Artist.
Where are you running from?
From the camera.
I'm gonna put you up on the spot.
Big artist, you know.
Yeah. So you know, I me up on the program. I know so you are painter son this, you know. Now go in a positive song, you know. You know, I don't know.
I know I'm not nothing positive yet, man.
Nothing positive yet?
Yeah. I know me have a walk go on nice place, you see me?
So when if I walk go on and you sing it positive, I hope you not help boots it or sing.
No, I'm not boots.
So if I clean man and you do it positive, man, you know go already man walk go on. Alright, you see him get a shy part there from him father, you know, painter. Why you give that man the part there? I really twin them, you know, him first. I identical them, man. The painter and him junior becoming now a senior. Alright, them preps. Next time, you know, about the whole back, you know.
Yeah, man, me know.
Alright, then. So right now we have worm upon the jerk. So this is a new Jamaican way of catching up jerk fire with coal, right? Yeah. Worm way.
He look up stick, see look stick there.
See look stick there, you know them stick there?
I get stick them.
Bob Marley sticks. This is Bob Marley sticks. This is what give the jerk chicken that jerk smell.
Yeah.
So make the jerk chicken eye.
Yeah, naturally.
So it tastes naturally eye, right?
Yeah.
Smoke, it does smoke.
Like me like think
Worm in the kitchen, outside jerking. Alright. Jenna.
One Jenna.
One Jenna. So I go on over here, worm in the kitchen?
Yeah, man.
In the outside.
Banter their work, make it work. Everybody make it work. You hear that? One dream team.
Straight. So Jenna, I have a donation for you as well.
Alright.
Yeah. And this is from Molo. Yeah. This is Molo. Send $5,000 for you from Canada.
Molo from Canada.
Yeah, $5,000 for you. Jenna from Molo.
Molo from Canada, thank you very much. May the Lord bless you and keep you safe. Yeah, Molo. Love you, nothing but love. Take care.
Yeah, man.
Dream team, one team.
Sealer, natural with him on. Sound it, natural there. Okay. So yeah, man. So Molo, give thanks, Molo.
Molo, give thanks, man.
You know, Molo team, I look up him, dream team there. There's them, and I say, Jella, hear something. Hey boy, Jella boy. Mr. Ansem, really have to go higher for a second. You know, Mr. Ansem, I have to go higher.
They're second.
Yeah.
Samson, build yourself straight. You know that?
Yeah, man. You know, he put a whole heap of smile on people face that day there, you know. Them laugh till them can't laugh no more.
We do the thing in a good, we say, you know.
Yes, sir.
We keep on do the good.
Yes.
We do good.
Good to follow.
Good, always follow.
Always,
one
right.
team, Kino. Build up yourself, isn't it?
Alright. Where me say smoke. Smoke. So them jerk that go high. High. Yes. Rasta Jackson in the air. Why? Oh, the Rasta. You see me? Yes, I. Every time.
More love, but
nothing but love,
You got Kino and doing it every time.
Every time.
Yeah.
All the time?
Mr. Looker?
Right.
Every time. One team, dream team, one love, straight, all
yeah.
Who make it work?
Dream team.
Shall make it work.
Yeah.
I know if I want to come together, we have to make it work. The doctor they make it work, teacher they make it work. Donors them more than love, you know.
Yeah. Can they make it work?
Make it more than work.
Of course, more than work.
Yeah.
Without them and the Almighty, it wouldn't work. So them definitely make it work.
Everything make it work.
No man, Rasta Jackson, Rasta all the way, you know.
Love,
Alright, so Mother Teresa, I got a donation here for you from, where is it? Hold on, I'm taking up the wrong one. Oh, it's right under here. So I got a donation here for you from Molo. This is Molo from Canada as well too. $9,000 from Molo from Canada.
Thank you, Molo from Canada. Hope your food basket never empty. And hope Father God bless you and your family. One team. Big up all our donors then.
Every time. That's the watch that.
Every time, wanna make it work.
Yes, sir.
Heart and love.
Mine just run on him. Yeah.
Patrick.
Mine just run on him. Alright then. Oh, we got Natasha in the building. Natasha in the building. Natish. All is well, right? You make the world proud, man. Them not stop talk, boy, you know, the gratitude where you put back, you know? Yeah, you know? And for you. Well, I made a call last night.
And give me like a blessing.
Yeah. Well, I made a call last night where the man say I get so fat. The man say him say this pan not teach, this that pan not teach, this that not teach, this not teach where. You see the man say the real, so the princess are coming to not teach right now. The man said I don't know if them confused him feel like a divorce. Like you can't say that to me, brother. At the wrong person you want to tell that. Them say must big you up every time.
Yeah man, big up yourself to me. Every time God to Father God. The dream team I bring the blessing come. So I go and hold on from that. And just give up back a hand and we can give up.
Every time. All the time.
All of the donors then.
Yeah.
All of the subscribers and the viewers then. Big up on yourself.
Straight.
Oliver and Carla, big up yourself straight. Pablo, that's your word.
Straight. Auntie Nana.
Dream team, Auntie, big up.
Yeah. And all the donors then.
All of them, big up.
Patrick.
Yes, Kino.
Patrick is here. Patrick, I'm telling you, I'm just there I call him. Your name in my mind, you know.
Joe?
I'm look up the word I you see. I'm saying come check for you earlier, but you wasn't there.
Yes.
You know. But there, so my mind say, yo, I need Patrick now.
Yeah.
I'm going to look up the word I you see how I come down.
Patrick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your name, Patrick. Your name Patrick maybe.
Yeah.
Say it's so rhyme, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Patrick.
Yeah, so it worked.
Yeah.
I'm going to look here.
Patrick.
I'm going to have your donation right here and I'm going to show you. Pass that liquor. I give out all the I give out and you're the last one left in my hand.
That's good.
I'm going to say you need to say Patrick. See there? You're the one that's left in my hand now, Patrick. Look at that.
Yeah, that's good, man.
God is good, right?
God is good. God is good.
God is good and God is great. All the time.
Every time.
We have to give thanks. So everything is good with there and you take the medication.
Yes,
and
I take the medication. But when I take some of them, you know, them a work for me. I feel worse than how I feel. So when I'm going to with the prostrate pill, alright. But the cholesterol pill,
make you feel worse?
Yes.
Yeah.
So I care back. Go show the doctor and then I come back. Care back. I met them give me a lower one, yeah. Because one time I get one prostrate pill one time and I made that take it and it give me side effect. And I care back I give the doctor. I show the doctor and she said I take that one there. And she write one, give me the right one, give me. And I take no, it's alright.
The one that you take now, alright.
Yeah, the one that I take now,
alright. But the next two of them can make you feel worse.
The cholesterol, I'm going to cholesterol.
All in the cholesterol make you feel worse.
I feel worse. I feel worse how my friend feel.
So you stop taking it right now, right?
Yeah, I take it every other day.
Every day?
Yeah.
You need to go back in there and explain to them.
I tell her.
Because they will need it and if that don't help.
Yeah. I take it every other day. I stop taking it. I take it every other day.
Every other day.
Every other day I take it. But I show her she give me a lower one. Because one time I go to the doctor and them tell me something about sugar. And sugar tablet with the doctor give me head goes off. Yes. Two tablets I take a head goes off. And I stop taking it. I go show the doctor and the doctor give me a lower grade one and it work.
And it work.
Yeah.
So you have to stick with the lower grade one?
Yeah, the lower the grade one. Lower.
Alright then, so hopefully you can get that sort out, you know?
Yeah man, yeah man, because they're going to get back into that time.
Yeah. Alright then, so I have a donation for you.
Yeah.
And it goes towards the medical, same way?
Yeah.
So you know you can help out the situation, same way.
Thank God. Thank God.
So this is from the lady from Jacksonville. Send $13,000 for you.
It's the lady from Jacksonville. God bless her. God bless her, the lady from Jacksonville.
Yeah, so
God bless her.
So this is $13,000, so you can count it.
Yeah.
Count it.
Yeah.
Yes, lady from Jacksonville.
God bless her, lady from Jacksonville. And I'm not asking God to make life easy for you and your children, your family, your relatives. And make you successful in your work and your business where you are doing and grant your paradise. And make life easy for you. Thank God for this money. Thank you, God. Thank you, lady from Jacksonville. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Every time, man. So
and God bless Kino and the Dream Team.
Yeah.
God bless Kino and the Dream Team.
Alright then.
God bless.
Alright
God
then.
bless. Lady from Jacksonville. God
Yeah.
bless you.
Alright.
Million times.
Million times.
Million times. God bless you. And as I say, make life easy for your children, your family, and relatives. Grant your paradise. And make it successful in your work and your business where you are. Thank you, God. Bless God bless Miss Lady from Jacksonville. God bless you.
Alright, very good thanks. Alright then, so take care of yourself, you know, and get the right things sorted out.
Yeah.
So it don't make matters worse, because that's the only reason why we're trying to get help, so we can make matters better.
Yeah. Remember take the character pill, but every other day. They take it every day like when they prescribe it.
Yeah.
2 times a day them so I take it. So I take 1 every other day now. Yes. Yes.
Every other day. And then till when they get it started.
Remember go back in. Remember come back up to the doctor. And make sure side out. God, the doctor the doctor they check for me.
Alright then.
The doctor your work will be nice. That's thank God.
Alright then. So go on, Patrick.
Yeah,
Big up
respect.
yourself.
Yeah.
Natural is years work, you see. It's not only building alone, natural work, man. Natural layer work on in vehicle. There's an engine. Steering.
Control.
So naturally you know about car as well too.
Yeah, man.
So you have everything in the brain the natural.
Yeah.
How much thing you have in the brain natural? The building work and you can do everything in the building.
The mechanic.
And mechanic.
Electrical, carpentry.
Everything. Name it.
Steel work, anything you can name. Yeah, man.
Another small brain there.
Yeah, man. Tinder, man. Tinder, you know.
It's all natural.
Yeah, man. I like a lot of root have some height, you know.
You know so clean, man. You wash out in there.
No, you know, so from get the car, I never wash the engine yet. Wash it, you know.
Engine.
And the thing that I try to catch it. See, like, you get it, man.
Yeah. You get it though.
Get it, man. It's hard to catch back in the sun.
Johnny?
You want juice?
Johnny?
Juice that?
Sell off.
No. Come go put
Bucket.
them in the fridge.
Bucket empty, man.
You need any?
Yeah. We need some.
Get stock. Get stock.
Yeah, we need some free stock.
Get some stock for the big thing. You know, I think it's be a small one. Count off. How much you know?
Military.
You're going. We're apart, we're apart, but not to change it, because you're going to say, I'm not change it.
It go.
Trouble, you know, so make sure to change it.
You know, they have to change it.
Yeah, man, the cross of the steering.
Oh.
Because the cross, you know. Because remember, set up the spin. In the direction, so it comes like a drive shaft. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, everything for up on the car, man. No joke anywhere, man. So anything I tell you to do on my car, when I really carry the car going on, just do it myself. Yeah, man. Just forward by myself. What am I saying about?
Yeah, I'm rolling late. Rolling late.
Come on. How's you asleep?
Oh, that Gary was saying run out of breath. People, this is a big artist.
Yeah.
This is Gary, beer as him dear.
Team, one team.
Or run out of breath.
Big up Kino and the dream team and all that donors them.
They said
them just can't stop
see my face.
Can't get me out of the race. Even though I am a disgrace, me no have no obligation in the place.
Hey.
And I say you can't hurt me.
Bang bang bang.
And I say you can't jerk me.
Bang bang bang.
Make sure say you kill me.
Bang bang bang.
And none of you never build me.
Bang bang bang.
Father God don't give me.
Bang bang bang.
For me life so me live it.
Bang bang bang.
To the best of me ability.
Bang bang bang.
Respect everyone in your community.
Bang bang bang.
Don't talk about me a thief aki.
Mad.
Then you run come chop it.
Oh.
You know me a mad smarty.
Wait.
Maybe me like
Anybody? Hey.
Shot me a bomb, make me bomb me.
Bomb it up.
Make me reach my whole family.
Oh.
Them just can't stop
See my face.
Can't get me out of the race. Even though I am a disgrace. You know, no obligation
in the place.
Big up Kino and the dream team. One team. Dream team.
But here, if we give them back that song the way run out of breath, I'm gonna see if we can catch a breath this time. Alright, you ready now? This time, try all the breath this time, don't run out, You call the ambulance just in case.
Alright, don't call it.
Call the ambulance to talk to you. Yeah, that one technical,
Out of breath,
that one name Out of Breath.
Out of breath.
This song name Out of Breath.
Out of breath.
Done by Gary, aka Beer as in Deer.
Listen to the lyrics. Some boy are living at the past, Because me dear brain a tick like a clock, a tick a seconds apart. Me a think about the next second, me a think about the next minute, me a think about the next hour, me a think about the next year, me a think about the next week, me a think about the new millennium. Some boy are living at the past, Because me dear brain a tick like a clock, a tick a seconds apart. Me a think about the next second, me a think about the next minute, me a think about the next hour, me a think about the next day, me a think about the next week, me a think about the next month, me a think about new millennium, me I think about next decade. Big up Kino and the so why not take me out of bed? Yeah, I saw me go out of bed. Come here and do that now, man. Do some. Take off the camera, please. Big up JT.
Yeah, that song run out of breath.
Yeah.
So get the oxygen mask.
Yeah.
Oxygen mask.
One.
Boy. Let's go and practice here. Me go and run on the field, and get the gym, get the thing active. Yeah, and get the thing active, get the diaphragm strong,
Big up Rasta Jackson.
Every time.
Big up Boom, Dynamite. Big up Kino, whole our dream team. Big up all donors.
Straight.
Yes, me dear, love for you.
Alright.
Kino, love for you. Alright. Bush we are going,
Bush you go?
Yeah. Where back there, the top of that bag.
Show my bag.
Some more cold bag,
Oh, cold bag.
I'm cold, man. Yeah, still.
Oh, you got chop bush?
No, man.
You got set it cold?
Draw down from cold tomorrow, man. I'm come from town.
Alright, Tom, for the shirt gone on now?
Yeah.
Alright, take a long put on a shirt there. Alright, then Tom, so I have a package here.
Yeah.
I have 2 bags here for you. This is from Nurse Jackie. To you, that is from Nurse Jackie for yourself. So you can tell Nurse Jackie thanks.
Yeah, thanks, Nurse Jackie.
That's it.
Yeah.
Shy, Tompa?
No, not really shy.
Just say something to her, man, you know, for someone.
Yeah, thank you, and another time, and not go again.
You know, again,
Yeah.
people is very shy.
Shy.
Shy and can't get no words out. So, Nurse Jackie, I want to say thank you so much, you know, God bless you. You know, may your food basket never empty, you know, and guidance through and out. Right, so this is Tompa. A man have not many words, so we give thanks. Hey.
I go up there, tell boy and tell him. I'm out of bagging on the tell him.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man. So you more.
Leave me alone. One girl here, you know, I bother me and call him banana. See him there?
She can't hide. What should I do?
I trouble me.
Trouble you?
Hold it back.
Who phone it after them they can't fit me?
Come up. Come up now.
Oh,
Yes, I she like. She. Yeah, that banana you like, you know.
in the line every day choose me. If you buy a piece of bread, I'm gonna make a piece in class me.
You can't say me not big up for the light, you know.
Come on, I can't me make Tompa me and come out clean. Hey, Tompa, come on.
Sure.
I say support her. Sure.
Tompa, come and say, hey, come to Manta.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
I mean Tompa,
Yeah,
alright then.
yeah, man, I tell boys that you yes.
Cold bag them.
Yeah, man, I got a bush in the evening and put them down and got them put to the morning. Come from town, I buy some jelly and I go just cut out and got a bush and I bag man.
Alright, then no problem, I make it. Alright, go on with yourself. So, yes, a blessings to Nurse Jackie. God bless you and thank you so much here for that bag for Tompa. Alright, alright.
Alright, get to we can borrow it. No man, come and say no man, come here. Flash.
No, for Esther.
Two pieces of Esther, 2 pieces of both straight.
Yeah, natural. So for the day now, we are just out the wall there, sir, right?
Just back and front, man. Just a long piece of Esther, a big piece.
No.
I take time in.
That one, yeah.
Yeah, man. Let's run off the pieces, sir. Yeah.
What's granite it? Yes, a gel of granite that one, yeah?
Yeah, that's your granite. That's your went the wall.
The gel where you say yeah, granite that one, yeah? Yeah. I'm not sure say a granite then.
Yeah. Come on, cool him down. So when you cool on the wall, it's cool. The wall, it's very hot.
No, yeah.
Very hot. Hot.
Well, that my head is so really hot, you know.
That's why man, I'm cooling down, man. Cooling and bring back.
Call again the cool.
Yeah, I'm going to call now.
Whoa. We come like you heard it for the resort.
You know?
Like you're in the pool already.
Yeah, man. Come like a tourist in the pool already, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. See you, you know?
Yeah.
I'm looking at come in and choke off one time.
Yeah.
You know, so I learned the right here, yeah? You need a
hose.
You need a cup, a jug of cup. You throw the water on the wall, you take them and soak in the water, show them that water. Understand? Yeah, I learned the right here. So you put the water on it, I mean, not at all. Run it off, not soak.
And I want to tell you, say, you know, Talpi, for the people that I'm really impressed with him, you know, because
yeah, man, yeah.
Where am I going when I'm yard?
Yeah.
The man say I'm saving donation and stop taking a foundation around there. I'm really impressed with him.
Very ambitious, you know?
Yeah, because I say, boy, tell people now kind of respect that, you know?
Yeah, man.
And him there I go and do him next thing.
Putting a lot of interest in the dream team work.
Yeah.
And still putting a lot of interest in home. Trying to build up. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, Talpi, man,
motivation.
Yes, alright.
Yeah.
Man, I'm willing to learn, you know?
I'm willing to learn and still I put in. I don't know say in a full 100, but yeah, man, in a full 100.
You make it look like it's more than 100.
I appreciate everything, man.
Because if man, you make it look like it's more than 100.
Yeah.
So it make that an advantage, you know?
Yeah, you have to give him props, man. Yeah, you have to give him props, man. But
yeah,
to Caesar, you have to give it to him.
You have to.
You have to give it to him.
I say, I have to give him the man.
Yeah, man. What you to Caesar, you have to give it to him.
Yes, sir.
I'm tired. Watch him. I'll show you something. No, watch me. Watch me. You see this? See this? It's in a wipe on the planet. Use a board, you see? And do so. Come up. And do so. And run off the wall. Come up, make sure it even and come so. And come up. Come up, put it in a rod top. But same way, sir. So the rod top and rod off. You can float it. Because this now give a straight edge on the wall now to show you the two wall and even. Understand? You can dig off this one, because this is a waste time. You can dig off this one. The unbug you, so you don't get the rod top. So you can dig it off and rod it off. I say you get the wall even now. You understand? When you look up on the wall, you feel the pool is coming up on the wall. It's a pool. Yeah, it's a pool.
The wall hot.
Yes, yeah, hot man, because remember, you know, you take in all the sunlight.
Observe.
Cement don't like heat, cement like coolness. And when we reach coolness and come around, when the cement itself starts to heat up on the wall, it dry now.
Yeah.
That's not even dry now.
Yeah, true.
Come down the pool.
No, over me out.
Or 2 pieces from Western Fowl.
She not there now.
Yeah. So the water. When it's full of water, it's supposed to fall like all the way down to the lower part. Is it? It's full of. Anyway, I carry You know what I put that on money? Board no. They are straight as go from board.
Oh, natural, how much bag of roughs and say you go want in here? So? Two. Where is the hatchet? Where is the hatchet?
Hatchet or hammer, the bump have come off. So the pressure on the concrete hammer. Yeah, man. Come in.
Snagger? Alright, pay me a power there.
Material. Easy.
We are building, we are build body, we are build up nature, we are build up the whole universe. Cause mankind are try to destroy the universe and try to fight against the power of nature and God and goddess. And anything we fight against nature and the God and the goddess shall go down. So long live the Almighty and big up Kino. Get back yourself fit and get back on track because that's what they are for rebuild. Right now, I set up a herbal center and a place where for the item that TrenchTown you can get any herbal product you want. You will check a Dini place now because round at the back them have a greenhouse farm, them have everything I set up. And me there I endorse them. Seeing? So the whole energy we are do centralize and organize. Cause that black people for doing us. Unite, come as one, centralize and organize. So World War III are gonna start, you know, Russia and Ukraine on the borderline, and it's not a nice thing to go on. So people centralize and organize. Big up the Empress because you know what? It's all about, as I say, Dini Dread, know yourself. You have to get back fit, you have to strong, and you have to firm. Yeah, I soon forward because
so we're going to visit Dini Dread.
Yeah, I'm going to visit Dini Dread and now, but I carry something for Sam. Getting back strength up and thing because a couple of days now, me in the wilderness. Seeing? Every time I go in the wilderness, I have to forward with something what? Fresh because life is every day, you learn every day, evolve every day, don't remain one way. This mankind don't deal with consistency because life is consistency. Anytime you not keep up with life, you have to pop them. Me keep up with it, that's why I'm there at 61 years old because every day I learn. Every day I do what? Learn. Because every day you learn something new and life is teaching you. So when you think say you know everything, you don't know nothing. Because life recreate and recycle and rebuild itself every day, and that's what a human being supposed to be. So when not pop down and drop down, me and life there for help, you know, rise up, wise up, and life up. Yeah, because we say what? Dream work, make the team work. So when we say dream work, our teamwork make the dream work. That's what we say back way, front way. Dream work, make the team work, and teamwork make the dream work. So we have to unite, centralize, organize. I Marcus that teach, I Bob Marley teach, African unite. Cause we're moving out of Babylonian. See man, them I look at them. See the Empress here?
Mother Teresa already.
Say no, tell them to me. Tell them to me. I have Dini.
Watch your back. Watch your back.
Watch your back. Watch your back.
Sorry.
Watch your back. When Natisha just rolling in.
Yeah, man, dip on the ground.
Message coming in. Natisha just rolling.
Yeah, man. Big up. Big up all of the donor them.
Yeah. Cut off buckle.
Yeah.
The cut off jeans.
Somebody cut off them jeans pants for them there.
Yeah. Cut off jeans. Out of
Yeah, but yeah, enough.
see what I see. Alright, you see Snagger, so
Big
I
up.
go on the work.
No, we tell us life never stop. When you stop, life don't stop. Right now, wait for you, you know. It keeps in the circle, yeah. And it's like a ball, and it keeps spin. So you go in a circle. So it's a cycle, recycle. And if you don't know the cycle, you have a stifle. What I say a while ago, if you don't know how to cycle, you're gonna stifle. And then when you stop cycle, you're gonna start hate people because two people are gonna progressive more than you, have more than you, advance more than you. You're not gonna like it, so you'll get jealous, and that I kill people. Yeah, them can. I like me, I tell Kino. Yeah, then when a man say you reach for it, and you say, boy, you have more than him now. You get jealous. True. Yeah, but if you keep up with life, everyone have the same thing, the breath of life. Now, me just come off a thing called respiratory health. Respiratory health mean if you're not breathing from the 7th chakra, you are not breathing healthy. You're breathing from the 4th chakra. I said it to everyone now, you see the 7th chakra. So 4th chakra breathing is not healthy breathing. It's the 7th chakra. That's where you're born. You're born breathing from the 7th chakra, which is the diaphragm. And diaphragm breathing is healthy breathing.
Get on where.
Two back, couldn't give away this. Snagger road.
Run come natural. Wow. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.